So here's my solution to the mobile moving dust extractor as well as power access. As you can see, kind of being a dumbass, I ran into the 2x4 and the saber saw just couldn't cut through that, so I had to go down lower to get below the 2x4. So that happened. All right, table saw is mounted, flush with the table, left a gap for the arm to move back and forth. And as you can see, I purchased and have been using some Craig guides that work really well and have improved my cutting proficiency without dropping huge coins like you would for a track saw. In fact, I think it's like, I don't know, 60 some odd bucks for the guide. All right, saws put in, the supports are put in, which were a complete major pain in the ass. I think the most difficult thing right now, just to make sure that that saw is completely flush to the tabletop. But it's there, it's done, it's on to routing. I routed my first track. Holy mackerel, I cannot believe the amount of sawdust. Of course, it is a 3/8 inch track, 3/4 inch wide. Oh my God, just freaking everywhere. So I put down a track just so you conceptually get to see what it looks like. But I intend to actually have an intersection here going that way. And then, I don't know, probably one other one that it goes crossways there too. All right, Jake, so wanted to show you the grooves are all routed. This T-track's actually, this piece here is installed. This one's here is more or less a, seeing how it fits, because I'm gonna have to, looks like, take 1/8 of an inch off, or maybe just a little bit off to back this up so that this T intersection is flush. I definitely learned some stuff about routing. You basically have to manhandle the router, because I guess if it hits like anything that's non-consistent, the router jumps, and if it jumps, it makes a mark, which didn't really manifest itself until like over here. And I hit like glue or something and it bumped out, which, you know, it's not gonna impact the track, it just irks them. So, because it's not, well, perfect. But I learned, obviously, to manhandle a router.